I'm going to my friend's house today. Let's see what he wants to do. What are we doing today?
Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a two-handed fidget spinner. But first, we're only an intro.
Patty cake with no hand.
I was saying, I'm going to teach you how to make a two-handed fidget spinner. What you need is very simple things. You need 3 balls.
That one's mine right there.
Yeah, it is. That one's over.
And that one too over there.
You need 3 ball bearings. They can be skateboard ball bearings or any ball bearings. Yeah, that's it. And super glue. It can be gel super glue or normal super glue. So we'll say, you have to get the one that spins the most, or no, if you get one of these, your fidget spinner won't spin at all. So, get this one better. Now, open your super glue and do this. Come over here.
Yeah.
Here, do this.
No.
Put only one drop of super glue. Ah, my finger's not stuck. And then put one of these ball bearings.
I can't see. There you go.
Put one of the ball bearings on top of it like this. I recommend you to do this. Put one of them like this, and there will be glue.
Oh, I did it!
There will be glue like that. Leave them there, and then and then put another drop on the side. Out of the way. Put another drop on the side,
And we're here again.
and don't let it dry. And then get your next ball bearing and put it right there. Now let's wait for it a few minutes to dry. Okay, guys, here are the results. Would it work?
No.
Leave a comment down below. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time for the moment of truth. It's been just fine.
I'm out! I'm stealing his tablet. I'm not out. Ow! 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 Moment of truth. Oh crap. So yeah, guys, that's footage. It's gonna be it. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time.
Okay, guys, that was the end of the video. See you tomorrow. Peace.